Alright, Brutal Collision. One game, this is 50 by 3 3/4 by 25 layout.
Give a chance to get in the front. We get 29-30. Check blade 29-30, please.
Alright, lanes are light oil, post-leak conditions. Leave a lot of 10 pins. There we go. Huh? Free ball. Huh? That's my free ball. So this ball I got from my PSO. He had a whole stash of them, so he gave me one. Very, very happy. Very cool looking ball. Very vibrant. And it's my first DV8 ball. Mowing that shit down. Pretty strong ball. When I first rolled it yesterday during league, and it wasn't really doing very well. I think cover needed to be broken. A little too fast. So I picked up this ball as my first DV8 ball, and I just picked up a Chill Pearl the other day from Buddy's Pro Shop. They're on sale for 89 bucks. So I got 2 DV8s now. If you roll with a 16 pound, the Chill Pearl is $59. About 14 miles an hour on that one. It's got to be one of DV8's cooler looking balls. I like the way it looks.
How you liking that button? Good. And that's much easier. Yeah. More forgetting.
All right, not too shabby. 225 game 1 with the DV8 Brutal Collision and 1 open frame.